Hi Rad friends, jumping on for a bit of an old school unboxing, and that is because we have been working on the most beautiful new style that's about to be released and it feels very unboxing worthy. What's it going to be? It's a new boot. So this month we're releasing a number of new boots, but the one I want to talk to you about today is the Uplift boot. This boot has been inspired by my colorist, Jen. Hi Jen. Who is an amazing lady that works on her feet all day in a hairdressing salon, and she is a massive wearer of our Orion Skies boot. And the Orion Skies boot, if you've been following along, you'll know is on this lug sole unit. And so I've been thinking about ways to bring that Orion Skies unit, also Patience boot is on this unit, but make it into a more streamlined spring kind of trans-seasonal boot. The other thing that had been happening during the making of this boot was many customers have been writing to us this season asking us to either bring back the Shadow boot or the Lunar boot, which were cleaner uppers that we've done in the past. So this has become like a love child of Lunar boot and Orion Skies and Patience and all the things. And now we have just like a nice, beautiful, clean, fine grain leather boot to take you all the way through for years, really, not even just this season. So the things to know about this boot, it's been executed with like really clean, minimal finish. We have the leather bumper edge and there's also an invisible zip. So the idea is that it's very smooth and clean up the leg and definitely looks excellent with dresses and like 7/8 length pants, so you get a bit of that clean edge. The thing that makes this boot though really is the leather. It's a very smooth, soft grain. It's very durable. It's hard wearing. So for ladies like my friend Jen who are on their feet all day and dropping colour on their feet, it's a good one because it just wipes off. They're online now. They're fabulous. We can't wait to hear what you think. Okay, stay radical.